we are heading to Floating Market.
Pattaya Floating Market.
And we are on the bike.
Yeah.
Our first
photo. That is photo. The shot of this is really awesome.
And like from Big Buddha to Floating Market, we are charging about like 150 for two people on the bike.
Actually, I asked us 300, but you know, the bargain. Oh, you. Yeah. No. So this is the first signal on the bike.
You see, everybody is like in their own lane, no honking, no horn.
And that too, for 3 people it's allowed. People should be allowed on the bike.
On the bike, yeah.
We didn't book the bike at all. We just, you know, we got it randomly. That is.
My God.
No honking, but silence.
Silence is more than enough. The breeze is cool. Even the beach is on the way. Beach. And that side is the Zomtine beach. So we will visit it tomorrow. Zomtine Hotel.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So here we are at Pattaya Floating Market. Chal. With this lady you have to pay. So it's on your own risk. So It's huge. And then it's really messy. You don't know कौन सा रास्ता कहाँ को जाएगा. Really puzzling. This cute kids smiling, laughing. This is how the life should be. And this is how one should always live. Yeah. Papaya. Oh, woo-hoo. Girlfriend. Oh. I think this market is more of clothes. That's it. Nothing more over here. Where it is? This one. Elephant I think so this is the one. Aja इस side. For the boat ride you have to pay like 800 baht. This is your food court. Maybe this is the ancient times how the delivery was done. On the old times. Wife giving massage to the husband. डॉक्टर वैद छोटे कराटे Okay, so yesterday we went for this floating market, Pattaya Floating Market. So this is our verdict, our opinion of this market. उदय तू क्या बोलता है?
यार एकदम बढ़िया था एक्चुअली. मुझे कहीं आर्टिफिशियल नहीं लगा. इट्स लाइक मुझे लगा कि स्टूडियो की तरह. इट्स कम्प्लीटली मेड अप विथ वुड काइंड ऑफ. एंड आर्किटेक्ट इनका ओल्डन डेज में जो यूज़ किया जाता था ना, वो लकड़ियों के साथ बट इट्स टू गुड. अंदर जाने से पता चला वी कैन सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिटी में जहाँ पे आर्किटेक्ट है और अंदर जो उनकी आर्किटेक्ट है. इट्स टू डिफरेंट. अमेजिंग. यू कैन एंजॉय द फील. और रवि तुम्हें कैसे लगा?
Mine is totally different, totally opposite. I don't feel like it's worth it. Okay, first of all, it's very far from the walking street. Okay, you have to take a cab or a scooter and they will charge you like anything if you don't bargain. Okay, तो हम लोगों का स्कूटी वालों ने पहले 300 बोला, कोई 200 बोल रहा है. तो उतने में आपको तो कैब मिल जाती है फ्रॉम वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट टिल दैट प्लेस. एंड सेकेंडली इट्स उसमें आपको यू हैव टू पे लाइक 200 बात फॉर द एंट्री. ओके, अगेन लाइक 200 फ्रॉम गोइंग देयर, 200 प्लस 200 पर पर्सन. यदि एक भी जा रहा था तो 400 लग गए आपके, 400 बात लग गए. इनसाइड इट्स ओके, इट्स गुड. ओके, इट्स जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर मार्केट. That's it. It's on the water, made of wood and everything. Okay, until unless you are going for a shopping or if you want to buy something, only then go for the Pattaya market, floating market. Otherwise, I don't think so. There is any need of going to that particular market.
But one thing they have given that Pattaya floating market, वो इतना floating नहीं है basically.
Yeah, it's just like artificial made.
Yeah,
if you want,
नाम है, it's not there like that.
Yeah.
It's just
normal market that is built on the market.
But it's not it's a commercial kind of. It's not food market or
Yeah.
क्या बोलते हैं?
जो भी उनका natural है.
Yeah.
जो भी I think so that is in Bangkok, right? Floating market. So it's better you go for that instead of going to this Pattaya floating market. इससे अच्छा if you go to Pattaya night market and everything is going to be same. So that is my work details. But like I don't feel like, if you ask me really, you want to go, I will say no. So that is my final.
I can say that for photography जा सकते हो. And then floating market हमें कुछ floating करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. लोग भी बहुत कम दिखेंगे वहाँ पे. But it's okay, one time visit. It's okay.
I don't say it just for the sake of photograph, like 200 going to Baht, 200 entry and everything. 400 Baht.
Yeah, entry is a bit expensive. That I can see.
That is without.
It's a bit far.
Yeah, that is without the boat.
We not able to get the cab randomly.
Yeah.
So that's there.
Yeah, I would recommend if you go. It's better. Like Big Buddha is better than this. Your floating market. Truly speaking.